The SolSource Sport is a grill that only uses the sun to make food. My name is Dylan, and this is my buddy Cody. We took this solar cooker with us all around California and made meals with it every day. Get ready, because the adventure starts now. Okay guys, so we just got to Imperial Beach, California, San Diego. We are here to pick up our buddy Connor. There's a whole assortment of foods that we're going to be cooking on the grill today, and so we're going to get it out on the beach.
We got sunshine and good times. All you need to cook. And food, I guess. You really do need food.
Around there's 200, there's 220. It's only gonna go up. So there's 230.
So we got some chicken, guys, and we got some pasta and vegetables. We're gonna throw it in the pan, and we're gonna cook it. It's pretty simple.
Cool.
That's how you cook things.
They went out to the ocean, and I have to stay back with the SolSource. But we are getting a sizzle. It was kind of hard to hear on the mic because we do have a lot of wind and a lot of noise from the ocean. But I was able to audibly hear a sizzle, so we are cooking, and we are looking good. It's smelling good. I can smell it.
Hey guys, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes now, so we're gonna try it out and see how it's doing. Oh dang, it's hot. I'll give it a couple more minutes, but I think it's about done.
All right, guys, it's been about a total of about 20 minutes or so, and we're gonna check it again. Oh yeah, it's nice and hot. Oop, lost the noodle. We're gonna try some of this chicken. Oh yeah, it's cooked. We're ready to eat, guys. I'll just right out of the pan.
All right, guys, so we just got finished cooking out here in San Diego. We had chicken, we had pasta, we had vegetables, garlic, broccoli. It was delicious.
It was pretty great. It was actually really good. It cooked quicker than I thought it would. Every time we get surprised by the solar cooker, so.
Okay, guys, so that wraps up California road trip with the SolSource Sport. I hope you guys enjoyed our adventures as much as we did. We're gonna clean up here. We're gonna clean up here now. We're gonna put the SolSource in the bag and we're gonna head home. We had a great time out here cooking. If you guys want 30% off the SolSource Sport, use the code ROADTRIP. It's gonna be on the screen right here. You're gonna get 30% off the SolSource Sport for a whole month. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us cook on the SolSource Sport. Okay guys, until next time, my name's Dylan. That's Cody over there. And that's our buddy Connor, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.